Now just give a shape with the scrabber. तो आपको आइडिया आएगा कि क्या शेप में आपको चेंजेस करना है.
Which cake is this?
See?
Loud.
This is actually looking like a coconut now. I'm in Goa. We can make coconut also. Coconut कर सकते हैं ना इसको. I have shown you the color, right? That green color का जो है हमारा shimmer pump से, you can put that. हम वो भी कर सकते हैं. You want me to do that? No?
Tender coconut.
Yeah. So we can give a full color of that green wala shade and we can put a straw inside that. So that will give you a coconut. You want me to do that? But look good. कितने लोग लाइव हैं?
Insta was 52
See, I want to give a
and Facebook 31.
so with this shape you can give a coconut wala look also. See, modak you need a point. अभी थोड़ा हो गया. Now you got the shape. See. Now here I am going to put a neutral gel. If you don't want, you can नहीं बना लेंगे भी चलेगा. अगर आपने क्रीम में येलो कलर डाल दिया तो भी चलेगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. न्यूट्रल जेल इज नॉट कंपल्सरी. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू शो यू द टेक्निक. न्यूट्रल जेल, water. I'm putting yellow color. रत्ना हे मला धुवून दे. त्याच्यातलं अजून एक होतं ना.
तिथेच ठेवलं मी गेली.
काय बोलतायत लोक?
Hi, which cake?
This will be there on Facebook. This is live, no? It will be on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You can watch it anytime.
See? ठीक है. अभी इससे ही you're going to pick it up. See, ready? See, got a modak shape now nicely. See this? And अभी हो गया. You have to put some dry fruits here, pistachios here. See? So our modak is ready. कैसा लग रहा है? See? Ganpati Bappa
Moria.
Moria. How is it? So today is Sankashti Chaturthi and on that मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ, मैं तो मेरे घर पे प्रॉपर शाम को पूजा होती है. I make all the modak and naivedya and everything.
Today?
Yeah. But I am not there. So this is to my Ganpati Bappa. So hope you all enjoyed the modak here today.
Yes.
You all. So today I made many cakes today. आप दिखा सकते हो, show everyone. This is a Diwali, as Diwali नजदीक है, तो ये हमारे दिवाली के लिए केक बनाया है. This is a frame cake with golden effect. Then this is a fort line cake with ombre effect. Then again, as I love Goa, so this is a Goa cake. Then this is a texture and dark effect with geode effect cake. Then this is a tencel cake. Have a look how beautiful the color is looking. And this is a fire burn cake which already we had done the firework in this. So you can see this. And this is a painting cake of Goa. And again a gel carving cake with roses, leaves, creepers. So many things we have covered in this. And this is a glass effect cake with a lovely flower here. You can see how lovely the cake is looking. So many techniques has been covered in this class in design. How was the class, girls, by the way? Yeah, you have learned so many techniques in this class. So अभी आप लोग एक एक केक बनाओ रोज और अपने केक को ही पोस्ट करो. Do not post my cake on your status के बाबा I made this and you know this is the order, because वो मेरे केक सबको पता है and I get the screenshot कि मैम ये देखो आपका केक है. So काम करो ही मत. See, anyhow you have to do the practice on the cake. So every day make, not every day, I know you can't make every day, but कोई रोज केक नहीं खाएगा तो आप डमी का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. You can buy one dummy and make all the design on that dummy and remove the nice pictures, post it on your status, your page, Insta page, so that people will come to know about that you are starting with your cake business. हमारा आज का जो बेसिक स्पॉन्ज था सबने खाया, कैसा था? Was amazing cake, right? You can make अभी घर पे जाके तुरंत बेसिक स्पॉन्ज बनाओ, बिकॉज वो सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स घर पे होते हैं बेसिकली, राइट? मेक अ केक, कट करके आपके फ्रेंड्स को, आजू बाजू नेबर्स को दे दो टू टेस्ट, बिकॉज सी nowadays people want homemade cake and we are giving a fresh cake once you get order. हम लोग केक बना के नहीं रखते हैं जैसे दुकान वाले रखते हैं, तो वो हमारा एक प्लस पॉइंट होता है. बहुत लोग मुझे स्टूडेंट्स फोन करके मेरे को पूछते हैं कि मैम मुझे ऑर्डर आता है पर बोलते हैं यार बाहर तो 300 रुपए में केक मिल रहा है या 150 में मिल रहा है, तो आप क्यों 500 चार्ज करते हो? दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग विद पीपल. तो उनको बोलने का आप वहां से ही लो, पता नहीं वो कहाँ पे बनाया है, कभी बनाया है, मैं आपके लिए अभी बनाने वाली हूँ फ्रेश. So this is the difference between outside cake, commercial outside cake and the home baker cake. So you have to explain them. We are using a good quality product. Everything is in homemade. We are going to make. We are not going to use premix there. जहाँ बाहर वो यूज होता है, वो कौन से अभी तो कितने वीडियो वायरल निकले, मतलब इतने गंदे तरीके से वो लोग केक बनाते हैं. So people know that and people are ready to pay also now. कि घर का केक है and you get whatever design. This do you think these designs are there in a shops? You won't get these designs in a shop. So when you make this design, post it, people will like it and will give you the order. And flavors also मैंने आपको बताया कितने सारे अलग अलग fusion flavors है. You can create your own flavors also, है ना? तो वैसे flavors के हिसाब से आप उसकी pricing करो. See, do not अभी फिलहाल कैसा होता है फेज, you get WhatsApp. अभी WhatsApp ही चल रहा है. WhatsApp पे मैसेज आता है, I want to order a cake. Then you will chat with him. कौन सा केक, क्या केक, कितना किलो, क्या है, you know all that. Do not chat with the customer. Directly आपका एक मेनू कार्ड बनाओ, अभी इजीली हो सकता है. आप नॉर्मल केक हो गया, नॉर्मल केक में पाइनएप्पल केक आ गया, ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट आ गया, which you can give it for 500 or 600 rupees kg. Then आ गया fusion cake like kulfi faluda we made gulab gulkan we made rasmalai. These are all comes into a fusion that you can charge 1000 rupees kg. चॉकलेट में आप कितने सारे वैरायटी जैसे मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया वो करो, उसमें 1200-1500. नाउ इफ कस्टमर का बजट 500 रुपए का केक है बट वो आपका मेनू पढ़ के अरे उसको कुल्फी फालूदा समथिंग न्यू, चल वी विल ट्राई दिस, तो 500 का वो 800 में जंप कर सकता है. But if you keep on chatting with him, he will stuck with in his price and in his flavor only. Got my point? So waste of time of his also and us also. अपना ही waste होता है. तो ये एक करके भेजोगे and वो forward होता जाएगा. That card will get forward to many of them. आपकी chat forward नहीं होगी. Am I right?
Yes.
You can post that in your status also. That's it. So this way you are going to grow you're going to start your business. See, after you are not going to jump. You have to go step by step. Got my point, everyone? Any doubts now?
अभी
Clear?
मेनू कार्ड बनाने के लिए can we do it ourselves?
क्या easily now बच्चों को बोल दो बच्चे बना लेंगे. It's very easy. अभी कंप्यूटर में क्या नहीं बना है. Everything can be. So this is any doubt, girls? So whenever you make cake and if you have any doubts or कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आया you can anytime call me. If I'm not picking the call means सोचो कि मैं कहीं पे हूँ या क्लास चल रहा है. You can always WhatsApp me. WhatsApp पे हम लोग रिप्लाई भले 1 घंटे के बाद करूंगी पर करूंगी जरूर. Okay?
Yes.
Happy?
Yes.
So you hope your diploma was good? It was worth?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, now the next diploma is in Thane. Thana में 25 तारीख को है, 25, 26, 27 को, and there are only 2 seats available. So anyone from Thane or nearby Thane wants to join the class, WhatsApp me on 9699833833 and take the details of the class. And now my coming up city will be mostly Delhi and Kolkata. पर अभी नहीं, अभी डेट नहीं डिसाइड हुआ है, पर December first week it may be Delhi and Kolkata. Okay, what are the questions? वहाँ पे क्या?
Eine hi, ma'am.
Nice, no? Na? So sweet.
Coconut.
It's not. Not so modern.
No, but coconut is going in the motor.
But you, yeah, of course, in more